Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I hope you are doing well. I received a question. Someone asked how to print multiple pages of document or image that are in your gallery. Want to go to the gallery. If you want to print this PNG documents at the same time, for instance, you need to select particular PNG that you want to print out. Just select it, or you select all. If you go on top and select the three dots, you select all. But I don't want to select all because I got a lot of documents here. So I'm just gonna select documents or the images that we want to print out. So 16 pages. So if you want to print all of these items in one go, right click the mouse. When you right click the mouse, it gives you option for you to open all, start slideshow, print, copy, share, move/copy, open in File Explorer. So we want to print, you select correct printer from the list, HP LaserJet MFP M140W. Then also we want to change orientation to portrait. Then you select how many copies. Paper tray 1. The size of paper is A4. Then more setting, we want to print on one side. You select OK, then select print. So this is how to print multiple pages of document. Thank you.